Hey guys, it's been a while, but I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should be trying out Twitch alerts by Twitch. So to get to Twitch alerts, we're going to click the icon in the upper right, your icon, go to Creator Dashboard, and then we're going to go to this alert section on the left side of the screen. Then from there, you're going to create your alert box. I already created mine. Twitch alerts. Clearly, I know English. Anyways, alerts for Twitch. So now you can see we got follows, subscriptions, gifted subscriptions, cheering, hype chat, raids, charity, hype trains, channel points, and goals. The first reason is it's already integrated into your Twitch channel. So you don't have to do anything. You literally could use the base model and it's already set to go. All you have to do is copy the browser source URL down here in the bottom right corner and go into OBS, go to your sources, add a new source, add browser, and then paste it right here and choose the
resolution of which you want. I want mine 1920 by 1080, which is the width of the screen for my stream. Yours might be 720 or 4K, whatever. And I'm gonna hit refresh browser when scene becomes active because I won't have this on every scene, but almost every scene. The only one I won't have it on is like my intro scene or whatever.
Then you will have to add it to all your other scenes, but it's already ready to go. The next amazing thing is it's on the internet. It's not taxing on your computer whatsoever, as it's already on the internet. Next up, you can add TTS or text-to-speech on any of your alerts, whether it be follows, cheering, bits, any of them. First, we go to text and speech. You choose the message you want to display. If you click on there, it will show your variables. Username is the person that did the subscription or the follow. Tenure is the amount of time that they've subscribed. And the sub tier is obviously the tier of the sub. And you add your own words. Then you can change the font, the style of the font, the size of the font, the layout, the text color, the accent color. You can add drop shadow. You can show your resub message if they write a message afterwards. Also the font for that, the color and the drop shadow for that. Say alert text, say resub message. Then there's 21 different languages. Imagine they're only going to keep adding more. I'm sure within that there's even more voices. I'm going to go with English because I speak English. And we got Ivy, Joanna, Joey, all the way down to Nicole and Russell in Australia, Aditi and Ravina in India, Amy, Brian, Emma in UK, and Geraint in Wales. And you can change the volume level, and you can add a delay if you want it to delay up to 10 seconds. Play that real quick.
Flavioli Ravioli is using a sweet super sweet prime sub right here. They have been subbed for 21 months. Born too late to explore the earth. Born too early to explore space. Born just in time to spam memes.
Okay then. The next awesome reason why you should try Twitch alerts is because you can add visuals and sounds. So within the alert section, you go to visuals and sounds, you can add your own videos. I added a video of me in Rocket League. This is embarrassing because it's a poor clip, but it's a clip nonetheless. We can preview the alert. There it is. It's a video of me playing Rocket League.
My cool channel points reward.
Supported formats for adding visuals are PNGs, JPEGs, and WebP files of a max size of 25 megabits, or GIFs, WebMs, and MP4s with a max size of 100 megabits. You can also scale it to be larger or smaller on the screen, and you can control the volume level if it has volume within it, like the video. Also, they have their own image library in which you can grab any of the number of effects they already have provided. You can also add your own alert sounds. They have their own sound library, so you can choose from, I think they got 8 maybe? Yeah, 8 different sounds you can add. Or you can add up to 1,000 megabytes of your own sounds. So I have a butt ton of sounds. We can go into sound effects and we can find the LOL file, and I can just add, 2 for 1. Boop, it's in there.
2 in the box, ready to go. We be fast and they be slow.
So that's ready to go. You add it right there. The supported formats for sound alerts are MP3s and OGG files of a max size of 25 megabits. And there you have it. You have a visual and sound effect for any number of your alerts. You can even add your own channel point options. So if you didn't find sounds you liked on sound alerts or blurps, you can get them on Voicey like we showed in the other video, or you can have me do it. Shoot me a message. We'll work on some sounds. And then you have a brand new channel point option that you created yourself with ease. This is super simple stuff, guys. And then this brings us to the final thing, which I find just fantastic, amazing, is celebrations. You can add celebration effects to your alerts, which include all your emotes popping off in a flamethrower, fireworks, or rain format. So a flamethrower just shoots up from the bottom like this. Fireworks, obviously more fireworks style, and rain, it just rains down. Now you can increase the intensity from light to moderate to extreme and just cover the whole page. Now here's the kicker. These alerts could play just in your video, just over your chat, or over everywhere. Your video, your chat, the whole screen. If you're on a computer, they would see everything all across the whole screen. Amazing. Like, I've seen it happen and I was just like, how in the world did this happen? And there you guys have it. There's 5 reasons why you should be trying Twitch alerts on your stream. Let's recap. They're free. There's another reason. They're free. We also have the integration. It's already integrated with your Twitch as long as you copy and paste the browser source into your OBS. It's on the internet, so it's not taxing your computer. It's already there. You're ready to go. You have TTS you can add, and it's simple TTS. It's otherwise complicated in most cases. You can import your own sounds and videos, GIFs, you know. And then finally, celebrations. I'm pretty excited. Celebration's pretty awesome. Otherwise, the only way to do it was via code, and I don't know how to code, so, you know, there's that. Well, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day. Be kind, rewind, and remember, you're awesome. I know I was skeptical at first, but there's some pretty cool things.